I'm Phil Burrows and I'm the author of Emily I Mamau. I think it's important. I mean, the Welsh language is a lovely language. When I had a certain amount of sales, it was on the to-do list, but I was actually asked by Stonewall Cymru if I would actually do it sooner. And I thought, well, okay, if there is interest out there and, you know, if people do want it in Welsh, then why not? And I did think it was important. I've lived in Wales for 42 years and I thought, well, I've got to give something back. I think that children have no preconceptions, but as they grow up, their parents' preconceptions take hold. And if you can actually say to them, well, this is actually a normal fact of life these days, and it's in their books, it's in their literature, they're not going to grow up with that stigmatism as, oh my God, what are they doing over there? It's just natural, you know, it's how the world is, it's no problem. But it's not in your face in the book, it is in the background. Oh, they love it, absolutely love it. I did a reading near Whitchurch Way a while ago, and the kids were enthralled with it. They just thought it was great. And they love the animals, they love the imagination. They absolutely love it, and the children who have read it, they love it. I've had some really nice Facebook comments come through from children and the parents. The actual story is about how Emily chooses a pet. There is a moral to it at the end, and it's her imagination, like all little children. She's got a fantastic imagination, and that's what the book's about.